Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Namrata. I love shopping. I'm a shopaholic. I'm going to show you guys my first international makeup haul, and I've done two more which are on the way right now. So please subscribe to my channel if you watch such videos and if you want to get all the information. So let's not wait any further. Let's get into the video, shall we? So I'm going to have timestamps in the description box below so that you can see parts of the video however you like. I'm going to show the products, and I'm also going to talk about the shipping and all of that. So please feel free to watch any part of the video, and don't forget to like this video if you found this helpful. Let's get into the logistics first. So I have my computer right here. I'm going to tell you the dates when I ordered, when I got the order, and when I got my tracking ID and all that info. I'll put up screenshots on the screen as well. So I basically ordered on October 30th, and I placed an order for 3,928 rupees, and I paid 720 for shipping. Actually, if you order more than 4,200, you get free shipping. I placed the order on 30th of October, and I got an email from them immediately confirming that these are the products you have ordered, and basically their confirmation was pretty quick. It was instant. Like once I placed the order, I immediately got a confirmation through my email. And I thought it's not going to dispatch for like 10 days. I didn't even see my email after that, and then I saw my email, and the order was on the way. On November 2nd, I got an email from them saying that your order has been dispatched, but they didn't send me the tracking ID. So I was so curious at that time. So what I did was I went to their website and searched for something called track your order, and basically you enter the order number, and then you can fetch all your details and what status it is in and details like that. So I went to the website and I clicked on track your order, and I saw that it was dispatched, and they had like a temporary tracking ID which basically when I clicked on it said that it has left the country. I was quite confused because they said my order can be tracked till the date of delivery. So I was very confused. Is this how the tracking is going to be? I was pretty like, I didn't expect that. But then after 6 days, on November 8th, I got another email from them saying your haul is in transit with my order number, and that's when I got the actual tracking details from DHL. So I could basically see where my package was, and they also provided the India Post tracking ID, so I could immediately take that tracking ID and track it in indiapost.government, our website. It was pretty quick. From that point onwards, it was pretty quick. A week. It hardly took a week after that, and on November 16th my order was delivered. So I never expected this to be so quick, because I expected it to take a whole month. I saw so many videos on YouTube of other YouTubers who had posted their reviews on Beauty Bay and how long it takes. So it pretty much took like 4 weeks for some people, but I never expected I'll get the order within 15 days. So I was pretty surprised. Let me know in the comments below if anybody has ordered right now and is expecting your delivery, or anybody has any kind of experience, so that people can go through the comments, and also it will be helpful for them. This is my package. As you can see, it's kind of not so well packed, but because the products were intact inside, because it had a lot of paper packaging inside, which prevents, something like this. It had a lot of paper packaging inside so that the items inside are intact and they don't break or, come out. So that was pretty good. Thank God they had some paper packaging inside, because I had ordered a mirror, so I was pretty worried. But let's get into what I ordered. So the first item is this Jeffree Star Cosmetics mirror, hand mirror. I'm so excited about this. I'll put up the price of the item on the screen because I don't have it at the moment. to tell you guys. So this is how the packaging is. It's so pretty. It's purple color and it's from the Bloodlust collection. Actually, I didn't go for any particular mirror. I just wanted a hand mirror from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I was looking through and this was the cheapest in sale at that time. I got it for $1,000, I guess. So this is how it looks like. It is so pretty, guys. I didn't expect this to be so luxurious because I thought it'll be cheap and plasticky, but it is so luxurious. It's heavy. It has got that luxury feeling when you like carry it, and at the same time the mirror is just so perfect. It's like crystal clear, like you can see so perfectly. So this is something which is going to be in my collection forever. The moment I saw it, I knew it. So I'm very happy with the packaging as well. It has got this foam and then there's a cutout for the mirror and then it's placed, and then it comes in a cardboard box as well. So happy. The next item is this brush set from BH Cosmetics. It's basically from the collection called Chilling in Chicago. It's a 7-piece eye brush set, and yeah, as I told you, the boxes are ripped a little bit. It's not perfect, but yeah, the products are great, so I wouldn't mind. I got this for a whopping 680 rupees. Can you imagine? And you're gonna see the brushes and just be shocked. These are the brushes. These are so pretty. Wait, I'll show you. And the packaging is to die for. The red color, oh my god, I just loved it. It's packed inside a plastic wrap and basically looks like this. It's red. It has this red chromatic effect, as you can see, and it comes in 7 pieces. It's packed really well, and I've always wanted an eye brush set, and I know that BH Cosmetics is really good, so I went for it without a doubt. The next one is this mini makeup sponge set from Beauty Bay, their brand. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at it. Like 4 mini eggs which are green in color. This packaging is to die for. I mean, you're not going to use the packaging as such when it comes to sponges. The quality is like so soft even before it's wet. So I know it's going to be like bomb when it's wet. With Beauty Bay, I didn't expect the prices to be that low, or maybe the sale time they had like such lower prices. I didn't expect it to be that low because you don't get these products at this price even in Nykaa. So I was pretty like excited when I saw the prices. The next one is actually a lipstick and it's from NYX Cosmetics. It's in the shade Prague. I actually already have this piece, but I ran out of it, so I wanted to buy this shade again because it's such a gorgeous shade. I'll insert a picture wearing it. Like, I've worn it so many times, and the next one is also from NYX and it's a lipstick as well. It's this Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Boy's Tears. It's like a true red. As you can see, it's like a nice holiday Christmas kind of red. So I'm so excited to try this formula because I've always wanted to try this Powder Puff Lippy, but I've never got to try this in any of the shades I like. I like one nude shade which I don't know the shade's name, and this red I've always wanted to get, and this was on sale as well, so I got this. The next one is this eyelash curler. I am actually not an eyelash or mascara kind of person at all, but I've always I was curious, how does this work? I've never like tried this. I've seen people try it obviously, so I wanted to try it, and this was like very cheap, so I was like, why not? And this is from the company called Brushworks. It's an eyelash curler, as I said, and yeah, So I'll let you guys know how this works. And the last one is a Beauty Bay lip liner. It's in the shade, it says lip liner, lip liner, lip liner, as you can see here. Hope you can see. Okay, the shade's name is Vintage. It's like a dark brown. The light is making it look nude. Actually, it's dark brown. Yeah, now it's better. It's dark brown. It's like a nice, like, chocolatey brown. I've always wanted like a dark lip liner so that you can do the 90s look, like the dark lip liner and a lighter lipstick. So yeah, I've heard like rave reviews about this. This is so creamy, I think. So I'm excited to try this. Please let me know if you want to see any like first impressions or reviews of any of the products I've mentioned in this video. And yes, there are 2 more hauls coming up, one from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and the other one is from Colourpop, which I'm so excited about. So they are actually on their way and they should be here. The hauls should be here in like 2 weeks max. So I'll be posting those videos as well. So please subscribe to my channel if you like this content. That is the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked the video and hope you found the information helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here and like this video if you really like the video, and please comment down your thoughts as well. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.